The depth is perfect here. Keep digging this line. The spacing appears correct. Good. Let's start the ties here. Watch the alignment with the blueprint. Keep tightening those forms. We need them secure. Lower the steel cage slowly. Watch your fingers. Ready for the pour. Move back. Careful with the block. Line them up perfectly.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the angle, mate. Looks good, lock it in.
Keep it level, just a little to the left. Sealant on the upper frames looks good. Checking the angle now. Need a wipe over here. Almost done, wrap it up.
Line 1 cleared. Mounting complete. Test lead 3. Lights powering up. Beautiful work.
Excellent job, team. Every detail is perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Handover approved.